Hi, good people. This is Semfano with Asia Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills to help students improve their grades and professionals to improve their performance at work. I am here to help you learn and understand Microsoft Excel. I'm going to take you through the concepts and features of Microsoft Excel, as well as functions that are used to make various calculations in Microsoft Excel in order for you to improve your grades at school as well as your performance at work. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. This lesson, I'm going to be talking about file management in a Windows computer. I'm using Microsoft Windows 10. In this computer, I'm looking at the desktop background. As you can see on the desktop background, we have different icons, these images that you can see. They are called icons. They represent the software, the various applications that you have installed on your computer. So if you want to open a certain application, you can have their icon here on the desktop. As you can see, the difference between an icon and the proper software. Here, visually, an icon has got this small arrow. It shows that it is a shortcut to that particular program. So these images are called icons. They are a feature that is in a graphic user interface like Windows 10, which I am using. This lesson I'm going to be talking about file management in a computer. We manage files using folders. I'm going to show you how we create folders and how we create files, as well as how we save those files and folders. The steps that you follow when creating a folder depend on the location that you are at. At the moment, I'm at the desktop background. This is where I'm going to create a folder. My folder, I'm going to go right click and move my mouse pointer over to new over there. Then I will see this pop-up with dialog box. I'm gonna select folder. As you can see in this dialog box, you can create any type of file. As you can see, you can create a database file, an image file, a Word file, a PowerPoint file, any type of file. You can create it using this method. But at the moment, we are going to create a folder. As you can see, it's a folder, and it has a small yellow icon which looks like a file folder. You click on it there. It's gonna create a folder over there for you. Then what is left is for you to give it a name. For example, I'm going to rename it computer lessons. Then click away or click on this. So now I have got my folder created over there. This folder now has got nothing in it. As you can see, when I open it, it shows this folder is empty. I can maximize the folder using that button. I can restore back to this size of the window. I can also minimize the folder. When I minimize the folder, you notice that it is no longer open here, but it is still open when you minimize it, but it goes to this bar, which is called the taskbar, which holds all the running tasks on the computer. You will access quickly here in this taskbar. So for example, to see my folder that I just minimized, I can just move over to that yellow icon. It is gonna show me the folders, all the folders that are open. For example, if I have more than one folder or more than one folders open, I can go here. It's gonna show me that you see I have the Explorer window open. I also have my computer lessons folder. Then I can just close that one there. You can even close this if you want, but at the moment you don't want to close it, but we want to restore it back to this normal window so that we can work in it. Now you can just go there, then you just click over there. When you click on that folder, it goes back to the window. I can maximize it. It is empty at the moment. I can even create other folders inside of this folder. So for example, I can use the same steps that I used when creating the folder that I had in the desktop. I will go to new. On new here, you see I can also create all the other files that I had created before. I can go to new folder, then I can type lesson 1. This is the name of my folder. I can also click there to save this name. I now have a folder inside this folder. So you can notice that I've created it inside a folder. We now call it a sub folder. It is a subfolder because it is embedded inside another folder. So that is why we call it a subfolder. So if it's inside another folder, so inside of this subfolder, I can even create more folders as well, more subfolders as well. So this is how we are going to be working. So this is how we create folders. Thank you for watching this lesson. Meet you in the next lesson when we are going to look at the file path, file types, as well as how to create files.